Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use two TikTok accounts on one phone. So, if you want to manage a personal and business TikTok account on the same device, TikTok lets you stay signed into multiple accounts and switch between them whenever you need it. So, open TikTok app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner, just like so. Next, tap your username at the top of the screen. So, click on this arrow right here, just like so. Then select Add Account. Then log into your second account or create a new one. So you can log in using your phone or email. You can log in using Gmail, Apple, or Link social accounts. Now, next, so to switch between accounts, so go to your profile page, then tap your username at the top, then choose the account you want to use from the list. For example, this one right here. So I'm going to select the second account, just like so, and it instantly log in to that account. Now, once both accounts are added, you can remain logged in to each one, so there's no need to enter your password every time you switch them. So just go to your profile page, then click this R right here besides your username, and then just choose the account that you want to use, and that's it. So TikTok may send notifications from both accounts, and to customize them, you can open the account you want to edit, then go to the three line in the top right, go to settings and privacy, then from here, scroll down to notifications. So select notifications and adjust your preferences. Now, if you no longer need one of the accounts, you can then switch to that account, for example, this one. Then click the three line in the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Then from here, you can scroll down and tap on log out. Then tap on log out to confirm the action. And that's it.